Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today we are going to delve into an incredibly important topic that can often overlooked by many entrepreneurs. Financial literacy.
Literacy for entrepreneurs. Understanding the financial aspect of your business is crucial. It helps you make informed decisions, manage your cash flow, plan effectively, and even reduce liabilities. Without financial literacy, you may struggle to maintain your business's sustainability and growth. 2. Key financial terms every entrepreneur should know. As an entrepreneur, it's important to familiarize yourself with key financial terms such as net income, gross profit, cash flow, balance sheet, and so on. Understanding these terms can help you analyze your financial statements and make strategic decisions. 3. Role of budgeting in successful entrepreneurship. Budgeting is the backbone of successful entrepreneurship. It allows you to plan your finances, manage your expenses, and ensure that your business remains profitable. A well-planned budget can help you avoid unnecessary spending and financial stress. 4. Relationship between cash flow management and business sustainability. Cash flow management is crucial for the sustainability of your business. It allows you to track your income and expenses, and ensure that your business has enough funds to cover its operational costs. 5. Entrepreneur's Guide to Tax Planning, Reducing Liabilities and Maximizing Profits. Lastly, tax planning is an integral part of financial management. It can help you reduce your tax liabilities, maximize your profits, and ensure the financial health of your business. 6. Strategic financial planning, the backbone of business growth. First things first, what is strategic financial planning? It's a process that involves setting financial goals, analyzing your current financial situation, and developing strategies to meet these goals. It goes beyond just managing daily expenses and revenues. It's about crafting a plan to guide your business to success. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of financial literacy for entrepreneurs. Remember, financial literacy is not just about understanding numbers, it's about making informed decisions that can help your business grow and thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video from me.